Do you want to be a preschool teacher that not only makes children learn but also makes them laugh? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that by incorporating some simple techniques. Hi, my name is Sonal Andrews and I have been working with children for more than a decade. I know it's important to make them both learn and laugh. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that. So whether you're already a preschool teacher or are thinking about becoming one, watch this video so you can learn the tricks of the trade. Do you know how children develop humor? A child's sense of humor develops stage-wise. Infants do not understand humor, but respond to facial expressions and funny noises. Using their mirror neurons, they will simply imitate your joy by smiling back. By making funny faces, you can bring out those big belly laughs. Coming to toddlers, they enjoy the element of surprise and physical humor like peekaboo or tickles. At this stage, we may ask, "Where are your ears?" And if they touch their nose and we laugh at it, now they try to make their parents or caregiver laugh by giving wrong answer. They may also find it funny to imitate adults by wearing their shoes and trying to walk in them. Basically, social referencing in growing children makes the humor come alive. Preschoolers who are 3 to 4 year old tend to be very silly. They are very literal at this stage. So if something is not right, they will find it extremely funny. Like a dog that meows or the amusing behavior of their favorite cartoon character. Also, at this stage, toilet humor is their favorite. Around 5-6 years, they will start using their own creative ways of expressing humor and start telling jokes. As they go through the elementary school years, humor is an important way to connect with their peers by telling jokes or trying to get others to laugh. At this stage, children begin to understand non-literal humor. They may find humor in teasing. They begin to understand sarcasm when they are around 9 to 11 years old. Now, let's talk about how to bring humor in the preschool classroom. Be animated and use a lot of facial expressions. This will capture the attention of the children and also make them laugh. When you're speaking, or move your arms and body around to bring your stories to life. Use props and puppets. Props and puppets are a great way to keep children engaged and entertained. Use them to act out stories or songs or even just to have a conversation with. Children will love it. The sillier the character, the funnier is the experience. For example, if the character falls into the pit and gets squished, we find it gory as an adult. But you will find children laughing aloud. They are not cruel, my dear friends. They are yet developing empathy and hence the laughter. Be silly. Children love it when adults act like kids. So let your inner child out to play. Just make sure you keep it appropriate and in good taste. Being nonsensical brings a lot of sense to children in bonding with you. This can be done by getting down to their level and understanding their tickling rip. Errors and exaggeration. Every time I talk about a brinjal in a particular story, I say the brinjal is orange in color. And the child will laugh and say, "Ma'am, it's not orange, it's purple." Now, every time I mention brinjal, they wait for me to make an error. And when I do, they're ready to laugh. They can anticipate error and guess when to laugh. Exaggeration is the easiest way to dramatize and make these early learners visualize and imagine. This can bring a lot of humor in the classroom. So, there you have it. By using these techniques, you will not only make learning fun for them, but also keep them engaged and entertained. After all, humor is the highest form of creativity and intelligence. As early childhood educators, it is our job to stimulate and allow them to explore a world full of laughter. So go out there, put these into practice, and soon you will have a classroom full of happy and laughing children. Thank you so much for listening and watching. Do like the video, comment whether you agree, disagree, or if you have any question. And don't forget to subscribe.